have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
First time in metro. It was a half day of Gattu Chinky's school. And they came home early. Mummy was busy making food inside. Just then, Mummy's phone rings.
Hello, who?
Hello? Hello, it's me this side.
Yes, what happened?
Actually, I forgot my important document at home. It's the red colored one on the dining table. Mummy looks towards the dining table. Papa's red file was kept there.
Yes, it is there.
Yes, then you bring those documents for me. Please, I have an important meeting in an hour and it will take a lot of time for me to go home and come back.
But the car has been taken for servicing and Gattu Chinky are also at home.
Oh, then why don't you come by metro? It will take just half an hour to reach. Please, this is very urgent.
Okay, I'll come then.
Mummy says to Gattu Chinky after hanging up the phone.
Kids, get ready quickly. We have to go to Papa's office. We have to give him this important document.
Gattu Chinky get happy after hearing this.
Oh wow, Papa's office. But mummy, our car is not here. How will we go?
By metro.
Metro! Yay! We have never sat in a metro till today. Yes, all our friends have sat. Finally, today we will also go by metro for the first time. How much fun it will be, Gattu? Yes, it will be a lot of fun.
Yes, kids, we will go by metro. But see, hurry up. We have to reach there in half an hour. Otherwise, Papa will be late for the meeting.
Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky quickly go to their room and get ready in 2 minutes. Chinky quickly picks up her camera also.
Kids, where are you? Are you ready?
Gattu and Chinky quickly come out of their room.
Yes, mummy, we are ready. Let's go. Yes, I am also completely ready.
Chinky, why are you taking this camera?
Mummy, today we are sitting on the metro for the first time. And Goody told me that the city views are very good from the metro. That is why I am taking the camera.
What? Okay, now let's go quickly.
Mummy takes the document and locks the house from outside and then books a cab. Mummy and Gattu Chinky take the cab and reach the metro station which is the nearest to the home.
Gattu Chinky, look. First, we have to buy tickets to whichever station we have to go to.
Saying this, Mummy buys 3 tickets and then takes Gattu Chinky ahead.
Chinky, you come here. And Gattu, you get in that line. First, we will be checked and then we will have to scan the tickets.
Okay, mummy.
Gattu goes in the boys' line and gets checked and Chinky Mummy go in the girls' line.
Kids, now go ahead and put your ticket on the scan so that the gate will open for you.
As soon as Mummy says this, Gattu first scans his ticket so that the door opens.
Yay! It's opened. I'm going. I am also coming now, Gattu.
Then Chinky also scans her ticket. And then Mummy. All 3 go inside the station.
Kids, we have to go to the blue line to take our metro. We will get our metro from there only. Let's go.
Gattu Chinky walk with Mummy. And then they start waiting for the metro to arrive. Gattu Chinky start looking at the people standing nearby who were waiting for the metro along with them.
Look, Chinky, there are so many people who are waiting for their metro. How lucky they are, Gattu. They get to travel by metro every day. And with it, they get to see nice views too.
Hearing Gattu Chinky's words, Mummy starts laughing. Then the announcement of metro's arrival is made. And the metro also arrives.
Kids, be careful while boarding on the metro, okay?
Okay, mummy.
Mummy takes Gattu Chinky's hands and takes them inside the metro. And they get an empty seat too. Gattu, Chinky and Mummy, all 3 of them sit.
Now I will take pictures of beautiful views. Chinky, we are having so much fun in the metro. It feels like we are sitting on a ride. Yes, Gattu.
Children, sit carefully.
Then Gattu sees that an old auntie was standing because she did not get a seat.
Auntie, you can sit here. I will stand.
Oh, Thank you so much, beta. God bless you.
Then Gattu comes and stands near Mummy.
Very good, Gattu. You are very nice.
Thank you, Mummy.
Metro starts moving and Chinky starts looking at the views outside the window. And she starts clicking photos with her camera.
Wow, Goody was right. The views are so good. Tomorrow after going to school, I will tell Goody that I also sat in the metro.
Chinky, now sit straight or else you will fall.
Okay, Mummy.
Chinky straightens up and sits and clicks a photo of Gattu and Mummy too.
I will keep the camera inside now. We will see these photos later. Okay, Gattu? Okay.
Then there is an announcement in the metro which lets Mummy know that the next station was theirs.
The next station is ours. Gattu and Chinky, we have to get off. Remember.
The station comes in a few minutes and the metro doors open.
Let's go, kids.
Mummy holds Gattu Chinky's hands and takes them out of metro. And Papa was standing outside the metro and was waiting for them.
Papa, we have arrived.
Here is your document.
Thank you so much. Thanks to you also, kids. You came so far for me. If you were not there, I would have suffered a lot.
Papa, it was our duty. And because of this, we got to sit in the metro for the first time.
Yes, Papa. We will say that if you forgot the documents at home like this every day, then we will come every day.
You are too much, Chinky. Okay, now I'm going. Otherwise, I will be late.
Okay, bye-bye.
Then Papa goes back to his office, which was just in front of the metro station. As soon as they leave, Mummy says to Gattu Chinky,
Come on, Gattu Chinky. Let's get the return ticket.
Okay, Mummy. Okay, Mummy.
But wait, we didn't even had our lunch in a hurry. And we are feeling very hungry too, right? Yes, Mummy. I was going to say the same thing. I am feeling very hungry.
And me too.
By the way, there is a good Italian restaurant nearby. Why don't we go there and eat some yummy pasta?
Pasta! Yay!
Okay, then let's go. We will have lunch from there and then go back by metro. Let's go.
Let's go! If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.